Hello friends, I thought today I'd try and make a Theme Thursday video. Mostly I've been sharing dress-ups on Instagram instead of YouTube. But since I have 4 of the bubs dressed today, I thought I'd give it a go. You'll probably hear a bit of breeze in the background and also some chirping birds. So I hope you can hear me all right. I know I'm always pretty quiet. So the 4 babies that I have with me today are Gardner, or Denny, and he's one of my Tegans. And for the planes, trains and automobiles theme, he's wearing a planes sleeper with red and blue and yellow aeroplanes. And then I have Logan, and he's the Rosa Sculpt by Adri Stone. And he has a train sleeper. And it's a cream colour with the red and blue trains, and it's trimmed in a sort of denim blue colour. And then I have some of my twins. This is Presley asleep and awake, and I named them Jasper and Topher. And they're wearing white sleepers with green automobiles. And they were actually dressed like this for St. Patrick's Day, for something green, but I didn't get around to sharing them. And if you jump over to Instagram, you'll see that they're also photographed laying on a blanket which matches these sleepers. I love it when things match. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the boys together. And hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye for now.